Hey guys, I just got my play button for 100 subscribers. Oh yeah, YouTube did not make this. It was a guy called Joseph. The first time I met him was in martial arts summer camp, and he was my friend. He's still one of my best friends. He made this by hand. Thank you all for 100 subscribers. Hey guys, also, want to see me jump on the trampoline? Sure. I could jump pretty high! Oh yeah, can I show y'all a trick? Woo! I'm gonna jump down, and I'm gonna go by the camera. It's like, that's the wrong number. Okay, let me just